I'm meteorologist Nicole Mitchell with your forecast for the north central United States, and most of the region well above average. Look at Minneapolis, 80 degrees. That's about 15 degrees above average. Hard to believe that there was just a big snowstorm just 2 weeks ago. But we are already starting to see a cooler line. Bismarck, Rapid City in the 60s. That cooler air is part of a low pressure system and a front that will come through and cool the rest of the region in the next couple of days. And you can see some thunderstorms on that forecast. Let's take a look at that on our forecast satellite and radar. So that system that's pulling out of the northern Rockies and now more into the plains will trigger thunderstorms. There have already been a couple precursor ones, but more widespread as we get into late Monday and then Tuesday moving across the region. So a few places will be wet and stormy. We actually have a risk for severe weather in a few areas. So let's take a look at that. What we're going to be looking at is kind of parts of South Dakota into Nebraska have that risk for severe weather, that slight risk. So we could see a little bit of the stronger storms, particularly in that area, isolated for some of the other areas, but watch for that. Now for Tuesday morning, still the dividing line. Ahead of the front, temperatures more in the 60s, behind it 40s, even some 30s, 38 for Bismarck, and then starting to get cooler for other places as we get into Tuesday with more of those storms and more 60s Wednesday.